The process of being made a Kudal, Subru Entertainment Limited. Namaskar. The hoe is a tool used in farming. With its help, the land is dug. Dug is the past tense of dig, which means to move the earth and make a hole in the ground. Its use of digging pit, making drain, digging soil, etc. It consists of wide blade made of iron with vertical wooden bend. It is called Kudal, Kudar in Sanskrit. Kudru Dalpa, Kudali in Prakrit. Kodal in Gujarati. Like and subscribe my channel. Kodal in Punjabi. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Kodal in Bengali. Kudal in Marathi. Namaskar. Please like.